What's going on, everyone? Oh my god, that was a bad intro. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Morning. Um, we're as of yesterday, we're just resuming back to where we started and the indicators that we put up yesterday. So we're just resuming and see where the market is heading, and hopefully it will hit the price point where I am predicting that will hit. So today we're looking at Ethereum. So far, so good. I see that it did went down a bit, but it still didn't break the 0.618. So it's still a good sign that it's still a bullish. So it's just a matter of time until it hits the price point where I wanted to be at, which is the 4,200. So it's looking good so far. Let's go ahead and look at the different time frames here. Yep, 0.18 crashed down here. Now going back up. Yeah, and then now it's the 0.382. Now it's trying to hang on to that right now, and hopefully it will stay above that and keep moving forward. So good looks so far. Good looks. Let's go look. Oh yeah, this is solid. Yeah, it will have to go 4,200 since that is the strongest resistance, right? Because of back in May 12th, that's when Ethereum tanked down, and now it's going back up. It has to break this 4,200 in order for it to go back up, and hopefully the next price point will be the 5,000 mark. That's what I'm hoping for. I mean, it should. I mean, back in May 11, I did my indicators, and this is my theory that this is where it's going to reach. So it's close to 5,000, but who knows, right? All right. So that is Ethereum. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one here. Feel free to drop down a comment, or ask any questions, about the market, my predictions, any questions about the indicators that I'm using, and would you like to know about more, please feel free to ask. I'll be happily to answer your question. So we're looking at, so we got Ethereum. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Okay, this is solid. If anyone didn't tune in yesterday, this is what's my prediction. It's gonna go up here, crash, go back down, and go back up. Let's go ahead and look at that hourly here. Yeah, wow, this is it's looking solid here. So this is the resistance, right? So yesterday my prediction is that it's gonna go up, break the resistance, come back down to retest, which is gonna be the support, right? When it breaks through, now this is gonna be the new support, and then hopefully go back up. So right now it is doing exactly that I am predicting, which is really good, really good. Let me see here, cause yeah, the breakdown. This is the breakthrough right here. Slowly climbing back up. Yep, looking real good. Oh, here we go. This is a good one right here too to look at. So it broke through right here. I could go ahead and draw a circle so we know where the breakout is, you know, so we won't lose track when I come back tomorrow morning. We can see where we left off. So let's go ahead and put it right here. Boom. Bam. There you go. That's the breakout. The moving average. This is my support. Did not break through. And it's going to be slowly coming back up. Cool. So far, Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's on the right track. Let's go ahead and check out Solana here. Okay, so it did break the 0.786. It did hit the moving average, so we'll see what happens here. It seems like the buyers are, you know, the buyers are still having more, you know, more buying power for it not to go back down. So this is it's still a bullish, you know, still a good indication that's still bullish right here. Hopefully it does not break through this. Let's go ahead and look at that hourly. Okay. Okay, moving average. Looks like it's about to cross here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it's all about timing, you know. I guess we'll see within this hour since this is a new candle. Hmm. The 30-minute here. Okay, the 200 moving average. It's getting close to this. Trying to see. I mean, it did retest so many times. There's 1, there's 2, you know, 3, 4, 5, you know, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hopefully, I don't think it's gonna go down. I'm hoping that's gonna go back up here. Because if it does go back, you know, it would definitely be a good buy, you know, right here. But it's a good to wait out to see what happens, because right now it's literally chilling on this support level right here. All right, let's go ahead and move on. We'll go to Vechain here. Forget why I put these arrows here. Let me see. Oh, okay, here we go. Solid. Okay. Try. Okay. Right. Okay. Let me see here. What was it trying to do? All right, maybe let me move these arrows. It's distracting me here. Okay. So hit this 0.786, went up. Now it has to break through this. So for me, usually in order to make a good, accurate, support and resistance line, I usually like to switch it back. I like to switch the candles to line, and I'll draw a horizontal line right at the tip, just like that, and then switch it back over. Oh, not that one. Okay, cool. So now it just needs to break this. Once it does, it will go up a bit, and then it will have to retest, and then it will go back up. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. I mean, that's where the other wig is here. Yep. So yeah. So it will have to break, come back down, come back up, and the next price point will be at the 18 cents. 18.50 is the next one. Yeah, I mean, the moving average as my support. The candle touched it, went back up, so it's a good indication that it is still a bullish uptrend. Cool. We'll just leave it at that. Now it's just all a matter about time. Next one, we could go to, I guess we go to Polygon. Ooh. Okay. So yesterday, my theory was that it's gonna go back down, hit the 0.5 to 0.18, and then go back up, but it just went right through it. So it created a new higher low, higher high. So we'll have to redo the Fibonacci. Let's go ahead and delete that. Take this, delete that here. Okay. So maybe we could look at the hourly, see what that's looking like. Oh, this is good. This is really good. I could see it already without even using the indicators. So first things first, of course, it's an uptrend, right? That's a good indication. So we gotta use the Fibonacci retracement, higher low, higher high at the wick. Boom. So it literally bounced back up at the 0.786. So from here, I think it will start going, climbing back up. I wonder why I have this horizontal line here. What's that for? Ah, okay. So in the 4 hour, so it broke through it, went right past it. So this is gonna be creating another higher low, and I think it will go back up and create another higher high. So it did break, it went back down, create another higher low, and then I think it's gonna break through here and create another higher high. I'm thinking that's gonna be like up here, or it's gonna be the new higher high. So yeah, so hopefully things will fall into place, which I think it will. Okay, the 2 hour mark touched my moving averages, which is good. Sorry, I don't know if you could hear my dog. My dog's barking out there. Usually like to not lie to, but barks at people when they hear people outside. So that's what's going on. Okay, let's see here. So yeah, I think Polygon is good. We can move on to the next one. Let me see. So we went through Solana, we went through Polygon, we went through Vechain, we went through Bitcoin, we went through Ethereum. Let's see what else we could look at. I guess we could look at Litecoin too, you know. We haven't checked this out yet. Okay. Wow. Litecoin's going up. Okay. Oh, we just created a golden circle here. This is really good. That now, and the momentum is going the momentum is gonna go up now for Litecoin here. So it's a good indication that this right here is the golden circle. I think a good indicator is that once this candle closes, it will tell us that the golden circle has been completed. So within 5 hours, we'll find out. But so far, it's looking good. So right here, we could do our higher low higher high Fibonacci. So the higher low is here, higher high is right up here. Technically this would be the higher low, but let's see. Let's test it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Actually, it'll be this one. It'll be this new one right here. Sorry about that. Boom. So I'm thinking that it's gonna drop to the 0.618 between the 0.5 and the 0.618. I feel like it's gonna go back down before going back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw a box here. And this was the micro resistance, because I call it the micro resistance because there's a strong resistance and there's a strong support, right? And anything between is the micro resistance and support. So this right here will be the micro support. Put that down here. Boom. And if you're wondering why this is the micro support / resistance, is because when it was here, this was the support, because it bounced off, went back down, right? So that's the support, broke through it, now it becomes a resistance. So it's gonna come back down and it's gonna go back up. So let's go ahead and draw arrows. So I know when I come back to it tomorrow, I know where we left off. Where's my arrow at? Here we go. So I'm thinking here, boom, and going back up. Let me see. The daily, I think. So this is the so it has to break through this here, because there's 1 and there's 2. Now it has to break through it. So I would say this is like the second stage of like the strong resistance slash support, because this was the support, went all the way up, right? Now it broke through it. Now it's considered as the resistance now. Now it's a support, right? Now it has to break through it. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw a horizontal. I'm thinking right here, but let's go ahead and look at the line. Okay, yeah. Pretty much almost right on point. There you go. Okay. Boom. Cool. So has to break through it. Once it does, has to retest that and then go back up. And I'm thinking it's gonna keep going. I think this is the next target, which is the 309, 310. I feel like that's the next target price. Cool. We got some good indicators, right? Golden circle forming. On the 4-hour chart, we got the new Fibonacci where I think is gonna go down before going back up, and we got the new price point where I believe it's gonna hit next. All in all, it is a bullish, right? So solid. We are good here. Maybe we could go check out. I guess we could check out Doge, and we could check out Doge. See what's going on with Doge here. All right, let's see what we got. Let me look at the 4-hour chart. See what we're doing here. Wow. Oh wow, spot on. Look at that. So yesterday, this is what I did. I predicted I was gonna go up. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna go up. Probably form candle, come back down here before going back up. That's why I'm thinking. But my indication was right from yesterday. That is just gonna go straight up from here because it stopped at the 0.786, came back down, stopped at 0.18, and then it just kind of just took off from there. Solid. This is really solid. Let me look at the 1-hour. Yep. Okay. This is really good. Yep. I mean, it is going up right now. But like I said before, from yesterday, once it breaks the new resistance, it will have to retest the new support going back up. Usually, majority of the time, it always does that. It always has to retest every time it breaks out resistance or support. So right here, it really just took off, broke right through it. So let's see where this goes. Yeah, this is really good. Look at the daily here. Yep, so it's gonna climb back up. It's gonna hit the 34 cents. And then from there, hopefully break through it, go back down, and go back up. It's a lot of possibilities, right? But so far, I'm on pretty spot on, right? This is the arrow that I drew at yesterday. I believe it was like somewhere around here. Yeah, cool. All right, on the next one, let's go ahead and check out. We could check out Shiba here. you know, why not, right? You know, we already went through the major coins, so now we're just gonna go through the other like popular coins that, you know, people are invested in. So okay, so we got a moving average that cross here, which is a good indicator that it's gonna go up, right, on the 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and look on the daily. Okay. The daily is a bit iffy. The 4-hour shows that it looks like it's about to start to go back up. Let's go look at the 1-hour here. Okay. It looks like it's just consolidating here at the moment, right? It's slowly going back up, but it's consolidating. So once it's consolidating, I usually like to put in the support and resistance. So let's go ahead and do that. Right here. Thinking right here where this tip is, right? Let's switch over to candles. So I hit here, broke through, was a fake out, went back up, tried to break through, didn't, hit here, hit it again. So we'll just have to wait until see where it goes, where the breakout's gonna happen. It could go either way, so I'm thinking you could go break through, come back down, has to retest, go back up, right? That's option 1. Option 2, hits the resistance, goes back down, right? Hits this, and then go back down here. So that's option 1, option 2, right? We'll just have to see how it plays out. All right, I think that's it for Shiba. All right. Now I'm not too sure which coin to look at now. We went through all the major ones, and we went through the you know, the popular coins that people be talking about, right? I mean, I don't mind looking at these other coins that I have invested in. Someone's BitTorrent. So it's still an uptrend, right? Maybe I could show you guys some examples, right? Maybe we could do that. Oh, this is a good indicator here. All right, check this out. Let's see. This is the higher low. So maybe I could just what I could do is go down to you know, random charts, and maybe show you guys how to use the indicators that I'm using to get you you know, familiar of how to use the indicators, where the market is going, so you have a better understanding using it on your own. So you gotta look at the price action, right? So the price action is as you can see, is an uptrend, right? Look at the moving averages, it's going up. The 200 moving average going up, right? So price action is it an uptrend? Second, we gotta find the higher low, the newest higher high, newest higher low, and the newest higher high, which is these two. Oh man, where is, okay, here we go, boom, boom, right here. Okay, just above the 0.786. Okay, which is good. Moving average is as my support. It is trying to break it, but it can't. So from here, this is it looks good. It looks good. Maybe I could see where I could predict where it's going. So maybe I could do the other one here. So we're getting close to the 0.006 mark as a new price point prediction. Cool. All right, we'll just leave it at that. Let's look at that daily here. Yeah. Okay, it has to break through this. This is the resistance right here. Here. So yeah, it kind of broke through it. Boom. Boom. Okay. So it didn't break through it yet. The seller went right below the resistance, but now the buyers have control. Hopefully it breaks through it within the next 4 hours. This one's in 30. So hopefully it breaks this. So a good indicator that if it's gonna break through. Hey, what's going on, Charlie? How are you? Thank you for stopping by to the Crypto Morning channel. How are you doing? I'm just going over some technical analysis here. Just to predict where the market is going. So right now what we're looking at here is that looking at BitTorrent is one of the investments that I invested in. So right now it's gonna break through. Hopefully it's gonna break through this resistance level, and then once it does, I'm assuming that it's gonna break through, come back down to the new support, which was resistance before. Is gonna be the new support, and then go up from here. So that's I think that's how the cookie crumbles. I think that's my prediction of where the market is gonna go. So yeah, what's going on, Charlie? You have any questions? Anything I can answer for you? I'm just going through throughout the whole chart here. Providing some examples. Earlier I just went through Bitcoin, Ethereum. I went through Solana. I went through Polygon, Vechain, Doge, Shiba. I said Polygon, right? Yeah, I did say Polygon. And then so right now I'm just kind of going through everything. See, I could provide examples for everyone when they look at this video. All right. Cool. Let me see here. let's go back to Ethereum. Kind of just want to see where it's at now. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, cool. This is looking solid. Yep, I think it's a matter of time for it to hit back the 4,200 price point. Let's look at the daily. We got 4 hours here. Oh. Okay, this is the hour mark. Yeah, this is solid. Everything's looking really good here. I don't think there's any new edits that I gotta do. I think it just has to play out, and then from there I'll add on. Let's see what other charts we could look at. I mean honestly I went through all of them pretty much. Actually we could look at XRP. XRP is the one I also invested into. All right, let me see here. Let's look at the 4 hour here. All right, let's go ahead and draw out the support and the resistance here. So this is the resistance. I usually like to use the line to have an accurate, accurate support and resistance. And fill out in between too, because anything between that, between the support and resistance is all micro support and resistance, right? So this is okay. So for XRP, it tried to broke out the resistance, but it didn't. Now it looks like it's about to go ahead and retest here. It looks like it's in a consolidating phase though. And just going up, down, up, down. So hopefully this time will break through it. But in the daily, it shows that it is an uptrend right now. So, yeah, I think it just has to do its thing and just break through this resistance. So let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour mark here. And draw the Fibonacci. Boom, boom. It's literally just chilling above the 0.382. Yep, right now it just has to break through it. It just has to break through resistance, and from there, like I said, once it breaks through, retest, and go back up. Cool. Very solid, right? This is a good indication that it is going to be moving up because it had created a golden circle here. Let's go ahead and draw a circle. This is for the daily, right? From the golden circle, right there. And I'm thinking the next price point will be at the $1.65 mark. Yep. Let's go ahead and draw a line here. Boom. Solid. Cool. So this is XRP. Right now it's in the consolidating phase, and then once it breaks through it, it will start continuing back up for a bullish. Man, okay, so I invested in XRP back in 2 years ago, right? I think I got it in was at like 30-40 cents, and man, I shouldn't be scared about it, but I backed out once the SEC lawsuit happened, and now like I could have made tons of money, but it's okay. I mean, I still have a good chunk in there, but I withdrew most of it out. That's bad on my part. So at least I got some money in there. I am making money on XRP, so which is I at least I put some money back in. Cool. We could look at Stellar. Stellar is a copycat of XRP. Oh, it's about to form a golden circle here. Let's look at the 4-hour. Okay. Okay, it has to break this right here. And then let me draw this here. Boom. All right, this is the new resistance. Sorry, new support. Yeah, it's in the consolidating phase right now. Hit it 3 times, did a triple bottom, went back up. Now it has to break this. Is there's gonna break it or form a double top, and then it could come back down the 4th time before going back up. But I don't think that's gonna happen. The 200 moving average, you know, the candle hit the 200, went back up, hit the 200 again, try to break through, went back up. So I'm thinking that this time it's hopefully break through it. Cool, solid. All right. All right, cool. I'm just gonna leave the stream on. I gotta do something real quick, so feel free to look at the chart here. And yeah, so hold on. All right, y'all, I'm back. I think I'm gonna end it here. I went through a lot of charts here. So, feel free to drop a comment below, leave a like, leave a thumbs up. Please ask questions on how how I can help you, or you have any questions about anything about the crypto market, anything. Hopefully I can answer you guys' questions. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. So